Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephanie and this is my beauty space. I want to thank you guys in advance for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I do have all of my social media listed down below if you guys want to go ahead and follow me. I do have a lot of content coming up. I'm so excited to start this new journey with YouTube. It's my first video. It's very exciting. Thank you guys so much for pushing me to do it. A lot of you guys have been asking and I'm very happy to start this. If you guys want to see how I made this look here, just keep on watching. I will walk you through every step. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just prime my face. Alright guys, so I went and I did my eyebrows off camera. If you guys want a tutorial on my eyebrows, I can definitely do that. Just let me know down in the comments below. And let's get this eyeshadow going. I'm going to go ahead and use my Plouise base. This is rumor number 2. So I'm just going to apply 2 little dots and I'm going to use a flat brush foundation. Alright guys, so I went and did this eye off camera just so I can speed up a little bit the video so it's not too long. And also just so I can show you guys what I'm trying to do. I'm going to be using this palette. It is called On the Edge by Laurella Cosmetics. I am also going to use this HD Neon Pigments. It is by Dulzura Cosmetics. It's a smoky eye with hot pink, a little bit of glitter. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do this look on this eye. So once I primed my eyes with Plouise, I'm using this color here. This is called Restless, and also this color here called Jet. And I'm pretty much going to smoke out my eye with this one and kind of blend it with this one. And apply Restless on the corner of my eye. And I'm just going to blend this upwards. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab that Jet shade. It is very, very pigmented black. And I'm going to focus on the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just going to dab and pack on the color. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab this fluffy brush. And I'm going to grab a little bit of that Restless light brown color. And I'm just going to blend upwards, so I don't have a harsh line. My Plouise number 2 is actually more of a skin tone, and then the Plouise number 0 is a white, so you can tell it's on my hand. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with the white so it picks up the pigment. And at the end where the black and the white meet, I'm just going to fade it out. So I'm going to clean all the product that's on this brush and just fade the black inwards so it kind of blends and it's not a harsh white line. Just like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply the hot pink pigment where I put the base. I'm going to go back with the shade Jet and just pack that black one more time and then blend it up. So now I'm going to go ahead and use this duo glue. I am going to use the clear one and I'm just going to outline the pink crease and put some glitter on. I'm going to go ahead and grab this pink glitter. And I'm just going to apply it on the crease. Alright guys, so I went and cut the eyeshadow as if I was going to do an eyeliner or like a wing liner. I'm going to go ahead and just add a little pop of glitter starting in the mid of my eye working my way out. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes from Laurella Cosmetics. Looks like that. Reason why I like to do my eyeshadow first and then my foundation is because all of that is eyeshadow, guys. And I just reapply my primer where I pretty much wiped it off. I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty Foundation. This is number 260. When applying my foundation, I like to dab on my skin. I don't do strokes. Dabbing, I feel like is better. It makes it look flawless and just very smooth. I'm just gonna use the excess foundation on the sponge and just work my way down to my neck a little bit. So I'm gonna go back with my concealer. I'm just gonna conceal under my underarms. Once I highlight my skin, I'm going to go ahead and apply powder just to seal all the concealer. So I'm just going to grab my banana bread powder and then just pat where I put the concealer. And with whatever's just excess on the sponge, I just dab all over my face just so when I contour, everything blends very easily and I don't have blotches. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this powder for a couple minutes, just let it soak in, and I'm going to go ahead and contour while this is happening. I'm going to use my butter bronzer. This is a medium. I'm just going to go ahead and circle motions, starting from the top of my ear, working my way down. And I'm just going to do a circle motion so it blends a little bit. And I'm not going to go with a harsh contour today just because my eyes are so intense. I'm just going to go with a mild contour. This is why this is a medium. I'm also going to go on my forehead. Once I do that, I'm going to contour down here a little bit. So for my nose, I do have a brush that looks like this, and I just use the corner of the brush to tap, and I just contour my nose with this. And I am going to apply just a tad bit on the bottom and on the sides. And then I'm going to go back in with my Hudabeauty banana bread and just highlight my nose. Once I do that, then I'm going to grab a very fluffy brush and I'm just going to wipe down all of my face and pretty much take down all of the powder that I was baking, including my nose. And one of my favorite things in the makeup world is highlight. I love highlight. It just makes you look so glowy. In this case, I'm going to be using Kiko Makeup Milano. This is actually an eyeshadow, but I do like it so much that I use it as a highlight. This is shade 208. To spray my brushes once I apply a little bit of highlight, just because it makes it pop more. You guys will see in just a moment. So now that I sprayed my brush, I'm just going to go back onto the highlight. And I'm just going to dab because the brush is still wet, so you don't want to stroke it because then you will have lines of highlight. So you just want to dab it. And as you guys can see, the highlight is a lot stronger than when I first applied without the spray. And now once you feel the brush is drying out, you can do circle motions just to kind of make it more intense. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the other side. I'm just going to tap a little bit on my nose. Apply some on my Cupid's bow. And then a little bit under here. Just a tad bit on my chin. Guys, tell me that's not beautiful. Did I? I am using my Chanel 58 breské. If that's how you say it, I don't know. Don't judge. But I'm going to be applying this blush. This is the shade. It is very nude. It is very pretty. This is not going to go where the highlight is or where the contour is. It's going to go on the apples of your cheek. I like to do my under eyes once the foundation is done. Why? Because if I do the under eyes before the foundation, I'm just going to apply concealer on it and it's going to be pointless. So I like to do my under eyes. Once foundation is done, concealer is done, so I can just apply it, blend it, and it's perfect to go. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my under eye. So I'm going to go back to the same eyeshadow palette I was using. It's going to be that black, and I'm actually going to use a very, very little tiny brush to get in the waterline too. Apply some Plouise eyeshadow base on the outer corner of my eye to apply the pigment. Otherwise, pigment will not stick because it's a loose pigment. So now that my bottom lash line is done, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. Have you guys noticed that everything has pretty much been matching my look today? I got this. I got this. I got this. Is it just me? Alright, so I'm going to apply some mascara. Bottom lashes. So for today's lip, I'm going to be using this MAC liner, shade Whirl. I'm just going to go ahead and outline my lips. Once I outline my lips, I'm going to go ahead and add my butter gloss. It's from NYX, it's, shade Crème Brûlée. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a pop of shimmer on my lips. It's called Dazzle Glass from MAC. It looks like this. This is shade Rags to Riches. I'm going to go ahead and add this on top. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.